Hi, this is Kevin Cook. Thanks for coming back to Heavy Construction Equipment Podcast. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to drive a bulldozer or how to operate a bulldozer. Again, this episode has been sponsored by me. Are you looking for good quality equipment? Then come to my website at www.heavyequipmentguy.com or come to this website at www.startractor.com. And this is an affiliate link, which helps pay for the show. Are you looking for great Caterpillar apparel? Hats, shoes, shirts, jackets, hard hats, a little bit of everything. Come to this site, which is, like I said, it's an affiliate link, www.heavyequipmentarticles.com/cat hats. All right, here we go on to the podcast. Driving or operating heavy equipment is simple for operators who have a load of experience operating it. But as far as the newbies are concerned, who are in process of gaining some bit of that experience, and it may find it difficult to manual the machine. Other than that, every other model of heavy equipment has different operating functions, which is one needs to know and has their hands on it. So you can master to operate the heavy equipment only when you do it quite often, and in this, it becomes easier and easier and easier. So you can master to drive heavy equipment only when you do it quite often. In this process, you also tend to learn new things, which in turn make you more comfortable. Many operators, during their initial stage, find it extremely difficult to operate a dozer. They simply could not control the machine well and often end up in an accident. Even the experienced ones at times lose control from the machine, and when such things happen, it turns out to be a quite fatal problem. It is therefore very crucial for the operator to follow a few steps that will help him or her have better control over the machine and turn them as they are a more competent operator. Number one, try to make yourself comfortable. Being comfortable while you are about to drive or operate a bulldozer is quite crucial. You just can't start operating it the moment you step in the cab. You got to check a few things out first, and then once you have all that is sure that all the important functions are good to go, then you can get it started. All you need to do is be calm, steady, mentally and physically ready to go. It is more of a mental situation and less of a physical situation. You may be tense because of the previous day blunders that could have cost the company a lot of money, or you may be worried of something that is simply not related to your work. You got to explain yourself that if you remain worried, then it will simply add up to your problem and will reflect on your work. You have to soothe your mind first, and automatically your body will calm down. Once you are sure that you're absolutely comfortable, you should be getting going and operating the dozer. Next, try to move a dozer a bit. Before you start your day of work, you need to warm up your machine a bit. Now, all that you need to do is start the engine and keep it on for some time. Once the engine has warmed up, you should try moving it. Moving the machine to and from, and check if it's moving without any issues. You can, in this way, also check if the brakes of the machine are functioning properly. Just check it out, operate a little bit. And lastly, make sure your joystick. Make use of your joystick and make sure it's working. Today's heavy equipment are far advanced than what we used to be in a decade ago. However, you need to learn to use the technology given to you in a proper manner. In order to steer the machine the way you want to, you should make use of the joystick. You should be ultra careful while handling the joystick, as it is smooth and being harsh when it takes the machine to any direction, thus losing control of it. Make sure it works right. If it don't, get a mechanic out there. check out all your stuff before you even turn it on. Check your fluids, all that before you even step on it. Do like a little inspection before you get on your dozer. Again, got any questions, give me a jingle. 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.